Hello students, here we will solve a numerical based on hypermetropia of class 10th human eye in colorful world. Okay, so here is the question. The near point of a hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. What is the nature and power of the lens required to correct this defect? Okay students, here already given that the defect is hypermetropia. So we can easily write down the answer that the lens used will be convex lens. Okay, now the next question is what is the nature and the power of the lens? To find out the power of the lens, we need to find out the focal length also of this lens. Okay. So here we need to focus one more thing, that it is a convex lens. Okay. So what we need to do? First of all, we need to understand the numerical. It is saying that the near point of an hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. Now what is hypermetropia? Hypermetropia is a kind of defect in which we cannot read a book near to us. Okay, because the near point of our eyes shifted to more distance than that particular distance. Okay, in this case, suppose your eye can see up to 25 centimeters. We can read a book at this place. But when this defect will happen in your eye, will occur in your eye, then definitely you will not be able to read the object at this distance. You need to move this particular book a little more distance. Okay, so that distance is what? That is 1 meter. Total distance is what? 1 meter. Okay, so we need to find out the focal length of the lens required to correct this defect. Okay, so actually we are putting the object at this place. Okay, so it will be the object distance, and we can easily see this object clearly at this point. But the lens we will use here is a convex lens that will form the image of this object at this point. Here will be the image of this object. Okay, so it will be what? It will be image distance here. Okay, so we can easily calculate all the things by this information. Okay, but we can easily see that here 25 centimeter is not given in your question. So we will take the normal object distance for a normal human eye, that is 25 centimeter, up to which a human can see a object clearly, that is 25 centimeter. Okay, it is given, so we will also use it. So we can write here that is object distance. You will be minus 25 centimeter. Now student, why it is negative? Because it is on the left side of the lens. Now the next point is image distance. It will be minus 1 meter, but I have taken it in centimeter. We will convert it also in centimeter, minus 100 centimeter. Okay, suppose I am reading a book, I am not able to read that book at this point. Definitely I will move that book 100 centimeter away, but it is not possible for a normal human, because we can't do every time that move that book 100 centimeter away from us. Because so for correcting this defect, we will use convex lens. So what is the function of the convex lens? It will form the image of this object at 1 meter away. Okay, so we will get the image of this object at this point. So that's why I have taken image distance v equal to minus 1 meter or minus 100 centimeter. Now we need to calculate the focal length. We don't know what is focal length. So now we will apply the lens formula. That is 1 upon v minus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. Now the value of v is minus 100 centimeter. 1 upon minus 100 minus 1 upon u. What is the value of u? It is minus 25 centimeter equal to 1 upon f. Now it will be minus 1 upon 100 and it will be plus 1 upon 25 equal to 1 upon focal length. Okay, now we can take LCM also. It will be 100. So minus 1 plus 25 for the 100. So it will be 4 equal to 1 upon f. It will be 3 upon 100 equal to 1 upon f. F will be equal to 100 upon 3. It will be equal to 33.3 centimeter. Okay. Again, student, we can clearly see that the focal length is positive, and the lens which has the focal length positive, it is always what? It is always convex lens. Now we have find here the focal length. It is 33.3 centimeter. Okay. So now we will also calculate the power of the lens. Students, we know the formula of power of lens. It is equal to 1 upon focal length, but in this case we take the focal length in meter. Okay, when we write the 1 upon f, here it is given in centimeter. We can calculate it in meter also. Okay, so if we try to convert it in meter, so we will divide it by 100. Okay, it will be like 0.33 meter. Okay, now the value of focal length in meter is 0.33 meter. Why we have divided by 100? Because we can convert centimeter into meter by dividing that number 100. Okay, so here the power of lens equal to 1 upon f. Okay, 1 upon f. Now what is the value of f? It is 0.33. When we will further solve it, it will be 100 upon 33. Now power of the lens will be equal to plus 3.0 diopter. Okay, it will be the power of the lens. Okay, so the lens which we are using here is convex lens to correct the hypermetropia, and the focal length of the lens is plus 33.3 centimeter, or we can also say it 0.33 meter. Now the power of the lens will be 1 upon f equal to power equal to plus 3.0 d means diopter. So power of the lens will be 3.0 diopter. Okay, so it was the solution of this question. Here we have another numerical based on hypermetropia. So the question is, the near point of a hypermetropic eye is 50 centimeter. Calculate the power of the lens required to enable him to read a book at 40 centimeter. Okay, so here students, we need to decode the information first. Okay, because that person want to read the book at 40 centimeter. Okay, but due to the hypermetropia, the near point of the eye of that person has shifted to 50 centimeter. Okay, so which kind of lens we will use here? We already know that hypermetropia can be corrected by using the convex lens. So here we will write down the given information first. Okay, he want to read the book at 40 centimeters. Okay, means he will always put the book at 40 centimeters. So the object distance will be u equal to minus 40 centimeter. But due to hypermetropia, the near point has been shifted to 50 centimeter. So image of this object will be formed at 50 centimeter. So image distance will be, that is b equal to minus 50 centimeter. Okay, we need to find out the focal length. So we will use here the lens formula, that is 1 upon f equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. 1 upon f equal to 1 upon b. What is the value of b? It is minus 50 minus 1 upon u. Value is minus 40. 1 upon f equal to minus 1 upon 50 plus 1 upon 40. So the LCM of both of these values will be 200 and it will be 54 jar and 45 jar. It will be like this. Okay, so we can calculate 1 upon f equal to 1 upon 200. So focal length will be 200 centimeter of the length which will be used by this person. Okay, so here we can see the focal length is positive, so the lens used will be convex lens. Okay, now we will find out the power of the lens. We know the formula of power equal to 1 upon focal length. Okay, but here we can clearly see whenever we use 1 upon f, actually in this case we take the focal length in meter. So we can also convert this 200 centimeter into meter by dividing it 100. Okay, it will be 2 meter. So power p will be equal to 1 upon 2. We can simply solve it. So power of the lens will be plus 0.5 diopter. It will be the answer of this question.